Shooting with flash is awesome. Too dark to make an exposure? Flash. Too much backlight on a subject? Flash. Want to emphasize someone with light from the left, right, top, bottom? Flash. But here's the thing. For all of the flexibility that comes with speedlight photography, there's also plenty of light quality issues along for the ride. Flash can be harsh. It can create unintentionally hard shadows, blown highlights, false colors, and other issues that can hold your photography back. Choosing the right flash modifier can significantly improve your speedlight photography and help you create beautiful, flattering light for all of your subjects. But one of the major issues with speedlights is the shape of the flash head. On most systems, this looks like a rectangle, not a particularly gentle or inviting shape, and this couldn't be more true than when adding light to a scene. Luckily, a basic dome-style diffuser can quickly and easily remedy this. Dome diffusers tend to perform best in a bounce position with the flash head pointed up. They range from compact and pocket size, like the IZVELLO Bounce Dome Diffuser, to large and round, like the Gary Fong Light Sphere. Portability is often a consideration when choosing a dome-style modifier, but the larger the diffuser, the softer the light. When you want to create nice, direct fill light, bigger is definitely better. Westcott's POCKETBOX Mini and POCKETBOX Round are great for softening direct flash on a subject. The POCKETBOX Mini works like a smaller version of a studio softbox, creating a window-like effect. The POCKETBOX Round shapes light into a gentle circle. This has a slight wraparound effect and produces pleasing circular catchlight in your subject's eyes. Paired with a telephoto lens, speedlights can provide a longer range fill flash option. Modifiers like the MagMod MagBeam and Visual Echo's Better Beamer use a Fresnel-like element to improve the throw of speedlights and increase power output by focusing the beam. Now, these tend to work best with lenses 200mm and longer, but they can be used with shorter glass for hard, direct light portraits. Now, if we want to discuss some practical tools, we should talk about gels. These are colored filters that can save a shoot by allowing your flash to balance with ambient light from the room. For example, there's specific gels for working with tungsten and fluorescent light sources. These are easy to attach to your flash head. Also, for more creative effects, you can find gels in nearly any color and add a splash of colorful light to the scene or subject. With all of the improvements in camera light sensitivity, many photographers prefer the portability of speedlights to dedicated studio strobes. Getting the flash off of the hot shoe and onto a stand gives the compact speedlight the flexibility of movement, and there are plenty of radio triggers out there that can help you do just that. Once you get the flash off of the camera, many of the best options for shaping light are travel-friendly versions of their studio counterparts. The IZVELLO 12-inch Octa softbox attaches to virtually any flash to help create studio-style catchlights with a beautiful wraparound effect. To create highly focused illumination, the LASTOLITE STROBO collapsible snoot attaches quickly and easily to a strobo bracket. If you have multiple flashes, you can pair the Octa softbox and snoot for a great key and rim light combination. So what flash modifiers do you use? Let us know in the comments below. For more on flash mods, photography, and all things imaging, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.